everyone, greetings from the beautiful city of Las Vegas. And right now we are here at Palms Casino Resort along the Flamingo Road. Actually, this is located at the west side of the city and outside the strip. So it's a little bit quiet here, and the view from our room is just stunning. I can see the mountains and the city as well. So for today's video, I'm going to have a complete walkthrough. So come along and let's check the area. As you enter, we have a space here where we can put extra stuff. And then to the right is the nice and spacious washroom. Actually, they said they just renovated this one. It looks clean. And there are some complimentary toiletries here, and towel, blower, and a nice mirror. And on this side is a nice mirror again. A cabinet here with mini bar and also ice bucket. There are some chocolate here, water, and red wine. Some drinks over here, but I did not touch it. And there's a TV if you want to watch some movies. Extra sitting area, and this is a nice working area also. There are lots of outlets there. Lampshade, and I like this diffuser, so the room really smells good. And I like the decoration on the wall, pretty eyes. And also another charging outlet here, telephone and clock. And I like this area too, sitting area where you can sit and enjoy the view outside. So this is the view. Can you see the mountains and the city and the strip over there? Hotel Rio, Trump, Encore, Wynn is over there. And this is the Flamingo Street or road. That's the entrance. Oh, we're not done yet. Here, there's a closet here. Lots of wooden hangers. And of course, the safekeeping bolt here, and ironing board and iron, and there's also a baggage rack here. You know, look at my peg. Everyone loves it. Here. That's my dog. And this is the entrance from the Flamingo Road. Very nice signage here. And the resort has 3 towers: the Palms Place, Fantasy Tower, and Ivory Tower. And we stayed at Ivory Tower on the 14th floor. So this is the valley parking, and also the registration area. And if you're taking taxi or Uber, this is the pick up and drop off area. And this is the main entrance of the hotel. Very simple but looks clean and modern. And as soon as you enter, you will see the casino, and to the left side is the registration area. On the left side are the elevators going up to the Ivory Tower. And on this location, you can also find the Scott's 80 Prime. It's a great steakhouse and I read good reviews with this diner. So if you want to experience a fine dine-in or celebrating a special occasion while staying in this hotel, this is a perfect place for you. On this way is heading to the swimming pool, and I'm just fascinated with all these ceiling lights. So beautiful. And this is the pool area. The swimming pool opens at 10 in the morning and there are two main pools with many lounging chair and day beds where you can relax and enjoy the sun. There are many options here, so you can rent a private cabana and have your own plunge pool, or if you are looking for more luxurious experience, the VIP pool on the top level is the perfect spot for you. But it was closed when we were there, so I cannot show you guys. This is the Serrano Vista Cafe. We had our breakfast here. The food is really good, but a little bit pricey. This is another entrance to the swimming pool, and then this is where you can find also the spa of the hotel and the exit of the east parking area. On this part is heading to the Fantasy Tower. This is where you can find the elevators. And on the left side, there's a very nice boutique here. However, it was still closed when I was doing my walk. So I cannot show you what's inside, guys. The casino occupies the main floor. It's really massive, and on the sides there are many bars, restaurants, and I even saw a food court. So it's kind of nice. There are lots of choices here. You don't need to go out to eat. There's also a concert theater here, function halls, and ballrooms. I did my walk early in the morning, so it's a little bit quiet, but at night time, this place is so crowded and noisy. And this is the west end of the casino, and this is where you can find the exit to the west parking area and to the Palms Place. The Palms Place is separated from the two towers, so it's a little bit walk. It's not that far though. This is on the other side of the casino, and as we continue to walk, we can still see lots of bars, cafe, and restaurants on this side, and one of which is the Tim Ho Wan. It's a great Chinese restaurant, so if you are a Chinese food lover, this is a great place for you. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope this video helps you a little bit if you are planning to stay here at Palms Casino Resort in Las Vegas. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And by clicking the icon bell, you'll be notified for my future uploads like this. And to all my subscribers, thank you very much for all your support.